we've done with Form Titan. It's been an incredible, gift for this project, and saved countless of hours, and allowed a very small footprint of people to develop this product, which we feel is a game changer. So what interested me was how could they bring concrete for the everyday needs, and so immediately I thought of Uber. How can you create a sort of I want it now, and this is what I want, and still be effective as a business. And so that allowed somebody that was a contractor, perhaps a single contractor or a homeowner or somebody that doesn't know a lot about concrete, to interact with a pretty sophisticated back end. And it also allowed drivers and operators to record their deliveries and so on. The Form Titan just solved a lot of that for us, and allowed us to almost not think about the input side and just focus on the processing side, because it was so simple to set up the forms. I've got a way to look at the form that the driver uses, and I've got a way to look at the form that the customer uses. So if I click into any customer, there's something called dispatch order link. It opens up Form Titan, and I can see exactly what the customer would see when they log onto their system. They would see that they've got a job, that's scheduled for the 17th at 11 a.m. There's a code name for the job and so on. And they can go and they can do a couple of things. They can edit who the on-site contact is. They can view the job. And if they view the job, they've got the ability to change the job, accept the job, or cancel the job. So there's a couple of things they could do. And so what Form Titan allowed us to do is to understand the changes that customers make, because if there's a delivery already scheduled and the customer changes it, the truck needs to respond to it. So we had this very simple way of just saying, what are you changing? Are you changing the address? And so being intuitive on this side for entry is really important for people that aren't used to using software to order concrete. So, and even things like changing, updating addresses, you can change an address by the name. You immediately have the Google map that shows you, or you can change it by an intersection even, and it changes interactively. And then when you update the address, it shows you what the address is that will be used. All these form responses are so important that it's fast and easy to to set up, because you experiment with it and you try and follow the Uber / Amazon way of making it so intuitive. And Form Titan was able to do that without writing any code. Once you use it, there's no way you can do this without a tool like Form Titan. And actually, I would say there's no way you can do it without Form Titan, because we tried all the other tools. And so when they see what was built here, it sort of it takes them by surprise. It's like, how the heck could you do this, dude? You're not a programmer anymore. Well, you don't need to be a programmer. If you want to do an address change, even though the address is right there, and I'm in administrator mode, so this isn't locked, but I don't allow the users, the schedule folks, to use this as an address change. I hide that, and they have to change the address in Form Titan, because the interactivity with Google Maps are so spectacular and it's so fast that you can see exactly what's going on. For example, if you get to a place and it just there's no entry roads and things like that, then there's some delivery notes you want to make, things of that nature. That is not that easy to do, inside Salesforce. So I took even some of the power of the interface and I blended it into Salesforce so that certain things are done on Form Titan and not on Salesforce. It opened up an entire new business opportunity for Concrete on Demand. I contacted you guys because I said, I hope you know how great your product is and what it's done for us. And so that should say a lot, right? If somebody is so excited about it, they want to share the love back to the company. And so, yeah, that's how impressed I am with you guys. And thank you for that.